In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks Online with Toast, a popular point-of-sale system, effortlessly and efficiently. This integration can streamline your business operations, allowing you to manage sales and expenses more effectively. Whether you're running a bustling restaurant or a cozy cafe, connecting these two platforms can save you time and reduce manual entry errors. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, take a look at the left panel. You will see various options, but for now, direct your attention to the Apps option and give it a click. This is your gateway to endless possibilities of enhancing your QuickBooks experience. After clicking Apps, move to the Find Apps tab, which will be waiting at the top of the screen, ready to assist you in finding the perfect app integration for your needs. Now that you're in the Find Apps section, it's time to search for Toast. In the search bar provided, type in Toast and press Enter. You will be presented with a variety of third-party applications designed to connect QuickBooks with the Toast point-of-sale system. Each one of these apps might offer a unique set of features and benefits tailored to different business needs. Take your time to browse through the options. Clicking on one of these apps will provide you with further details, outlining what each app can offer, from simplifying your accounting processes to providing in-depth sales analytics. It's crucial to review these details thoroughly and ensure that the app aligns with your business requirements. Does it offer the functionalities you're looking for? Is it user-friendly? By answering these questions, you can make a more informed decision. Once you've identified the app that suits your business best, draw your attention to the top right corner of the app page, where you'll find the Get App Now button. Clicking on this button will initiate the authentication process. This is where you'll connect the newly selected app to your QuickBooks account. Follow the prompts to authenticate and connect Toast POS with QuickBooks Online seamlessly. After successfully completing these steps, you're all set to start using the integration. And that's all there is to it. With Toast and QuickBooks now working hand in hand, watch as your day-to-day operations become more efficient and streamlined, leaving you with more time to focus on what truly matters, delighting your customers and growing your business. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy integrating!